Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how to draw these types of designs in your smartphone. So at first we need to download this Infinite Design app from Play Store and then click on this image button and then gallery and select the image which you want to draw and put the import as trace option and just click the tick mark in the right bottom corner. Okay, then select the brush as lasso and check if there is another layer above it. Okay, then set the opacity and on steps it will be already setted. Okay, so change the color to black or whichever color you want and then draw strokes like this. I am skipping this video since it takes a little bit time to draw. So my main idea is to draw the darkest parts first, like this eyebrow, hair, eyes, and pupil, etc. So guys, I have completed the darkest parts in the image and now we have to check if there are any corrections. If you guys want more smooth lines, you can select an option called lazy from the menu, which is having an icon of a bullseye. So if you want to complete the work now just without any other shades or something, you can stop right over here and export the image, or else if you want to do the midtones, low tones and everything and looks more and make it more realistic, then you can add another layer and changing the opacity of the layer below the darkest layer to make it more lighter and draw the lighter parts. So as you can see, the opacity of the midtone layer is little bit harsh compared to the dark one, so I am correcting it to the right level, comparing it. Okay, I don't know why I did this today. I don't know why I did this video today. I'm too lazy at these things. And now the eye looks so sleepy, so I am just making it more sharp, and the eyebrows, those are too blunt, so I make it more sharp and clear. And we just need to draw the dark parts of this shirt. If you want, you can give more details. And now we have completed the midterm part. I am adding a new layer for the shining appearance of the eyes, and I have changed the color to white color. So the next part is adding low tones to our drawing. So I'm creating another layer and setting the opacity below the midtones. Okay, the opacity should be below the midtones layer. And now compare the image with the drawing for symmetry and stuff like that, and just give more details and correct the corrections. And now we have finished our art or design. So for exporting, tap the right dot three dots and select export. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.